Hello friends, my name is Dr. Ashok Chandran and today I am going to talk to you about why you need an adequate health insurance. The first and most important point is that the costs of treatment today in the hospitals are increasing. It has increased to such a level that it is impossible for a person to get a treatment without having a health insurance. The main reason is that if you look at COVID as an example, the approximate average costs come to approximately 10 lakhs per person, and if your family goes in at one stroke, 2 or 3 people in the family has to be hospitalized in a proper hospital, a multi-speciality hospital, the cost will be significant for a normal person to bear. Apart from this, if you look at the treatment of any disease for that matter at this particular point of time, the procedures and processes that has been laid down to make sure that the infections are taken care of, and the processes are so strong now that the costs have automatically increased for all kinds of treatments, all kinds of diseases. So the point is that it is not just because of COVID, but the fear of infection which has caused changes in the processes in hospitals and processes in related to treatments. This is causing a huge change in the cost for all treatments that happen in hospitals. And in multi-speciality hospitals which are good, the treatments will cost huge when you compare it with the previous costs. And the next 2 years will be a very high risk for all. So the next 2 years is a time when you need to be adequately insured, and you should not have any worry about getting infected, and that's possible only with a insurance. The choice of good hospitals and good treatment is something which is very important. So if your family, your spouse, your daughter, your child, your parents, if they need treatment, you should have a choice to go to the right hospital. So we should not have any limitation because of the cost, which will stop us from getting the right treatment for our family. So getting a choice of hospitals and doctors is possible only when you have adequate insurance to cover the costs. Financial health is another area. If you are going through a medical emergency and you don't have an insurance, you should note that the financial health of yours, the entire cost will eat away your savings. So your financial health, your net worth, all your savings will get impacted, and your overall financial health will be impacted because of any emergency that may arise. All the years of effort that you have put to save money to create your wealth, that will erode at one shot because of a medical emergency. Last but not the least, the most important area is that in your life you have created goals. These are goals which could be related to your child's education, it could be related to your child's marriage, it could be related to buying a house, it could be related to your retirement. These are plans or goals that you have fixed, and you have saved money for all these things. So these goals will completely get jeopardized if there is a medical emergency in the family which does not have a health cover. So your entire life's earnings, your entire life's goals will get impacted, and your family gets impacted, and that impact is so high that it is not worth avoiding an health insurance. So do go for a health insurance, and if there is some way that I can be of support to you, do get in touch with me. Thank you so much.